Hello everyone, welcome to English Learning Studio. Today we are going to watch a simple conversation about going to the doctor. In this video, you will follow a natural story between two friends and a doctor. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so relax and enjoy. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Today's question: what advice does the doctor give to Zara about food? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey Zara, you look a bit tired today.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh really? What happened?
I don't know. I just felt uncomfortable. My head was hurting and I kept waking up.
Do you still have the headache now?
Yes, it's still there. Not very strong, but it's annoying.
I see. Anything else?
I feel a little cold, but also warm at the same time.
That sounds like a fever.
Maybe. I didn't check properly.
Did you eat anything this morning?
No, I didn't feel like eating.
That's not good. You need some energy.
I know, but I just don't feel hungry.
Okay. Sit down for a moment.
I feel a bit weak, too.
Let me ask you something. When did this start?
Late last night, maybe around 11.
And you couldn't sleep after that?
Not really. I slept a little, then woke up again.
That's not a good sign.
Yeah, I feel worse this morning.
Okay, we should take this seriously.
Do you think I need a doctor?
I think so, just to be safe.
I don't really like hospitals.
Nobody likes hospitals.
That's true.
But it's better to check early.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, let's get ready.
Okay, give me a minute.
Take your time, no rush.
I feel a bit dizzy.
Careful, don't move too fast.
Yeah, I will go slowly.
Hey, do you have your phone?
Yes, it's in my pocket.
Good. And your wallet?
Wait, I think it's on the table.
Check it.
Yes, got it.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, it's inside my wallet.
Okay, that's important.
Do I need anything else?
Maybe a bottle of water.
Good idea.
Are you okay to walk?
I think so, but slowly.
That's fine. We don't need to rush.
Thanks for helping me.
Of course, that's what friends do.
Alex, what should I say at the hospital?
Just tell them how you feel.
Like headache and fever?
Yes, and also say you feel weak.
Okay, I will try.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to see a doctor.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot.
Okay, please fill this form.
All right.
Okay, you did well.
Yeah, but I still feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels like that.
There are so many people here.
Yes, hospitals are always busy.
I hope we don't have to wait too long.
I think it will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Some people look really sick.
Yeah, compared to them, you are okay.
That makes me feel a little better.
Hey, did you drink any water?
Not much, just a little in the morning.
You should drink more.
Okay, I will. Alex, what will the doctor do?
First, the doctor will ask some questions.
Like what?
About your symptoms, when it started, how you feel.
Okay.
Then maybe check your temperature and throat.
Sounds simple.
Yes, don't worry.
I just don't want an injection.
Relax. I don't think you need that.
Good. I don't like needles at all.
Most people don't. Zara, come on. It's your turn.
Hello, please come in.
Hello, doctor.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what is the problem?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
Okay, when did it start?
Last night.
Did you sleep well?
No, I woke up many times.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
Let me check. You have a mild fever.
Okay.
Do you have a sore throat?
A little, not too much.
Any cough?
No, not really.
Did you eat today?
No, I didn't feel hungry.
That's common when you are sick. Are you drinking enough water?
Not much.
You need to drink more.
Okay, I will.
Let me check your throat.
Okay.
Open your mouth. Say ah.
Ah,
Good. Looks okay. Don't worry, it's not serious.
that's good to hear.
You just need rest.
Okay.
Drink warm water and sleep well.
All right, doctor.
I will give you some medicine.
Thank you.
Take this medicine 2 times a day.
Okay, doctor.
Also, try to eat light food.
Like what?
Soup, rice, or soft food.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, you can go now, Miss Zara. Take care yourself.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Bye.
So, what did the doctor say, Zara?
It's not serious.
That's great.
Yeah, I just need rest.
Did the doctor give medicine?
Yes, and also told me to eat light food.
Like soup?
Yes, exactly.
Good. We can get some soup for you.
That sounds nice.
Are you feeling better now?
A little. I feel relaxed now.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question one more time. What advice does the doctor give to Zara about food? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comment section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and thinking skills more effectively. On this channel, I share simple and easy English stories to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.